What's up, guys? I'm back with another self-haircutting tutorial. This time I'm going to do a skin fade. It's going to start really short and then it's going to fade up into my hair up top. I'm going to use this sweatband to help me with the guidelines. God, I've never used this before, so this is new to me, but it should be better than what I normally do. So we'll see how it goes. First, I'm going to use this little lever to make it shorter. I'm going to go around the perimeter right here. Here we go. Okay, do the finger test a little bit. I can feel a little bit back here, so. Okay, yeah, feels good. See how straight it is. Okay, now I'm going to take it off. Nice. I'm going to put a 2 on. And I'm going to open it up so that it's a little bit longer. And I'm just going to go up. I'm going to kind of flick out and go up just a couple inches. I'm going to keep it even everywhere where I go. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to close it to make it a little shorter, and I'm going to go over the same thing that I just did, just a little less far up. Come back to blending the top a little later. Right now, we have a line that we need to take care of. So we have, this is a 0 closed, so it's shorter, and this is a 2 closed. So we need to blend those together. Here we go on, and I'm going to make it open so it's a little longer. Okay, now I'm going to use incrementally shorter guards to just attack that line and push it up into the fade. Okay, so this is 1/2. I'm going even shorter. Okay, you get the idea. Close it up. This needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I am still on half, but I shortened it like that. And here we go. Now that we have that part done, I'm going to work on fading into the top, and I have a number 4. You can use number 3, I just kind of want to be safe, and I'm not sure how long exactly my hair is around the sides, so I'm just going to see where it goes and blend it up so you can hear it go. I'm going to take a little bit off with a 4. And when I can't see on the back of my head, I usually just go straight up, straight off my head. And it usually stays pretty even that way. Essentially the same thing with a 3, except just not as far up. So here we go. You still do your little flick out thing. Back there. We'll see if I should be in a sec. Okay, now with the 2, I'm going to open it up so it's a little longer, blend into that 3. I'm going to kind of just attack that line, go just a hair past it. Okay, now close it. Okay, now I'm going to work on a little bit of fading in the top a little more with a 4. Okay, so since I usually comb my hair to that side, I'm going to fade a little bit more with a 5 and a 6 and those longer guards. And that was a 5, here's a 6. Okay, so I wasn't extremely pleased with the way that line turned out, so I'm just going to adjust now and go after it incrementally with those smaller guards, starting with a no guard and then putting another one on right now, half, and using that little lever just to make that change from long to short as gradual as possible. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next little bit. Okay, now I have a 1 on there and I'm doing the same thing. Now a 2 on there. Tack that line. Use the lever as you need to. Okay, now I'm using that finger test to see how even it is. What I can tell in this lighting, the lines back there are mostly taken care of and we are blended. So what I'm going to do right now is make it official with a skin fade. Just do the bottom. Okay, I'm going to shower and clean up and then we'll see how it looks after that. Okay, I'm back. I've washed my hair and put some product in it. I'm going to give you a few angles of how my hair looks with it. Okay, there you have it. Thanks. Subscribe down below.